The CNFT space has been growing at a crazy rate, and I think it's time that I finally dip my fingers in some projects. Not just buying them and minting them, but being a part of them. Today, I have huge news about a project that I'll join the team of, and also my very own NFT project. Yes, my very own one. This is huge news and it's very good for the CNFT space. Keep watching. What's up, nerds and virgins? It's APE Crypto, and today I have some very exciting news for you guys that I'm happy to share with you. First being, I've joined a CNFT project to be a part of their team, and I'm also announcing my own CNFT project. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you do not miss out on a single CNFT video. If you're looking to take CNFTs seriously, this is the channel for you. I cover CNFTs daily, and I try to give you all help with my personal experiences. So subscribe to me and keep up to date with all that. And also follow me on Twitter at ApeCryptoYT, as I talk about CNFTs all day every day, and I'm also doing CNFT giveaways where you can win some ADA or you can win an NFT. All you have to do is follow me, do these requirements and enter. I'm doing these every day for multiple different projects. So follow me and good luck with these giveaways. So yes, you heard that right. I have joined a team, and that team is Underwater Club. So this isn't my own project, but I'll be helping these guys out in a more advanced role. I already helped the other projects out, but I'll be a lot more focused with this as I am getting paid. So that is a disclaimer, and I am a part of this team. I'll be getting around 2% of the overall sales. So I thought I'd just tell you that, even though the numbers don't really matter, but I just wanted to be transparent with you guys as much as possible. But even though I'm getting paid, that doesn't change my opinion on this project. I wouldn't accept this if I didn't love this project and I believe in it. I've actually had offers before and I've rejected multiple of them for more money than I've been offered for this. But for this, I simply like the project and believe in it, so it's an honor to be on their team. So what is Underwater Club and why am I interested in this? So Underwater Club is obviously ocean themed, and it's a generative sea life themed NFT drop living in the Cardano ocean. And it will be a collection of 3,333 NFTs of high quality aquatic sea life that are going to fill the Cardano ocean with fun, and with each of them being distinctive and limited, with 5 races and over 23 features. From clownfishes being the most common, coral fishes to being uncommon, fairyfish being rare, anglerfish being very rare, and sharks being legendary. There's something for everyone. And not to mention, their art is incredibly clean, and they have some of the best designers on their social media posts. Everything looks clean and beautiful, and it's something I want to be a part of. So you know what? I am. This is a new project and it's only a couple days old, but as you can see, the follower count is quite nice already. And I believe it's got that attraction for how good the art is and just how clean everything is. And there's also 400 members in the Discord, which is great as the community is building quite nicely. The devs are transparent and open, and they've been nothing but great to me. And today, they've actually released their roadmap. So let's go through that. So they can have their first season launch, which is the 3,333 drop. That's happening on the 8th of October of this year. They'll also be listed on CNFT Tools and TokenRef, which is great because that makes their project very visible, and it's platforms that people go on regularly to check their prices. So that's good. They also got a charity donation, which is awesome. I believe this will be donated to do some ocean cleanup or marine species conservation. They also have the Halloween mutant launch, so they'll have mutant fish kind of thing, which is awesome. They'll also have their second season launch and a merch launch, all in this year. So this is all reasonable goals, and it's awesome that they're going to have 3 drops in this time. And I'm excited to see what 2022 brings as well. So it's needless to say that I'm very impressed and I'm excited to see what comes. I wouldn't have accepted this position if I didn't believe in this project, and I didn't like the art, and I didn't get a good vibe from the devs. But I really have, and I believe this project will do well. And I can't wait for the drop coming on October 8th. So make sure you pencil that in so you can get your hands on one of these beautiful NFTs. I'll see you there. So Underwater Club, I'll be on their team, but that isn't my own project. In regards to my own project, I've got something else coming. As of now, it's in very early stages and it won't be out for a month or so. And I'm not even going to reveal the name or give you any sneak peeks in this video. I'm just letting you guys know. It'll be a funny project, and it'll be an avatar based one. And it's something I'm sure all you nerds and virgins will really like. So far we've got the sketches done and everything planned for the props and all that. We're also working on a roadmap and our Discord as we speak, and everything's looking top tip and everything's looking beautiful, especially the sketches. which I'll be showing you guys as soon as we hit 10,000 followers on Twitter. So the quicker my following grows, the quicker you see a sneak peek at my NFT project, and I'll reveal the name and the theme and all that. It's something I'm really excited for, and it's a dream come true to pursue this and to give this to you guys. I seriously can't wait, and I've almost revealed the sketches and the name and all that prematurely, but you're gonna have to wait till 10k followers. With that being said, that's all I've got for this video today. I hope you all enjoyed it. I'm proud to be on the Underwater Club team, and do yourself a favor and make sure you check them out. And I'm also very proud to announce my own NFT project coming soon. And if you guys like the idea of that, make sure you light up the comments, give me suggestions, give me whatever. I'd love to hear your stance on this. I also love if you smash that like button, as it helps my channel grow so I can keep putting out these daily Cardano NFT videos for your benefit. I've really enjoyed making these videos, and I plan to continue to do so. So make sure you subscribe to that channel and hit that notification bell, because these are coming in hot and they're coming in daily. I'm APE Crypto, the leader in the nerds and virgins. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you all next time.